Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unbagging of 2 PBM from One Day Savings. This is a budget-friendly company, and the reason that I'm unbagging this because sometimes you find interesting items on this website, especially on the PBM side. So let's do this one first. My hands is still, a little bit. So let's see. We got this. I wish they would put a more wider foam on this. And these are the paints. Okay. So let's see. This one has, let me see, 16 colors. Okay, let me see. Here are the color scheme. I'm assuming that one of these is a card that I used to have when I was stationed in Germany, but let's see. Here is one of the color scheme, and let's get this done. Oh, great. This is gonna be good. Oh yeah, this is the one, I think. Okay, they got these things like this. I wish you would have it more wider. It's better for the canvas. And then we got a set of instructions over here, and I would like to see the picture. See, it's not in here. It's not in here. Let's see if it's inside here. Oh, here is the set of tools, set of paint brushes that you get. I'm trying to see. Oh, it didn't have the picture of it. That's bad. That's not good. Yep, I don't see the picture. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to them. Let them know. They sent me this without a picture of it. I'm gonna try to take a screenshot and post it over here on the video. Let me stretch it out. Let me see. Is in the back? No, it's not here. It's soft. The canvas is soft. Okay, and the good thing is that the canvas has is colored. Now they're coloring the canvas a little bit so you can see the numbers. This is the Volkswagen, the Beetle that I used to have when I was stationed in Germany while I was in the Air Force. This one. And I don't wanna, because I'm gonna have to roll it back. I gotta tell them they didn't send me the, no, it's not in here either. So, and it wasn't with the toolkit. The picture of this. I'll show you. Let me put this up here. I'll show you. This is a Volkswagen. It's behind a wall. And I think that the color of the Volkswagen is this one, which was the same color that I had when I was stationed in Germany, as I said. But this is so sad. I don't have the picture. Let me double check again. But I doubt it. I even put my hand inside here. it's not here. It's not here inside the bag. So nope, we don't have it. And that was the instructions what we got earlier on. So here it is. It seems like the numbers, even the tiny ones, I can see them. Let me show you. Okay, here, look at these tiny ones. That's an 8. But this will be nice. It's soft, so I would gesso it. You have to gesso it if you want your paint to clear gesso, of course, not the white one, because otherwise it will cover the numbers. And this doesn't come with the shard, with the number that usually the other ones, the brown ones, comes in. So what I do in this case, and it was recommended by Melanie, is that I take pictures by section. Okay, so in case that I missed, I take pictures with my phone. In case that I miss, I will you know, use the pictures as a reference. So this is so sad. And this is a good canvas. But I guess I put that in the trash. I guess I'm gonna have to go back to this because I don't have that much of space lately. And this is so sad that I couldn't get the picture. Okay, I don't know how this goes. Maybe this is the other way around. Well, I'm gonna move it outside. I'll take care of that later. I'm not gonna, you know, make you suffer for that. Okay, so that's so sad that that one didn't came in with the picture. So let's see this other one, because we need the pic as a reference. You see, this is what sometimes I'd rather pay. The same thing goes with diamond paintings and with cross stitch. I'd rather pay a little bit. Well, cross stitch not that much, because Joy Sunday is very stable. Let's see. Let's check in here. Is any other paper? A piece of paper? No. Nope. So let's hope that this is. So you get the tool with the hangers, so you can hang your thing. That I throw it away. I don't even bother about that. Those are the brushes, and this is very colorful. It has a lot of greens or teals, and this one has 24 colors. So let's see what is in this one. Let's see if the picture is inside. This one is another one with the colorful. Okay, this one seems to have the picture. This is the instructions that you get. And this one has even a skinnier. You see the one day saving? This is something that it will bend over easy, the canvas, and you don't want it bendy canvas. Okay, well, let me leave it over here. And this is the picture, which I should have gotten on the other one, but I didn't get. But this is a picture of this one. Okay? Sitting on the beach. The only thing missing over there is a little doggy. So that's why you see many colors of the green ones over here. Let's see how true to that will stay, okay? But this is a nice one. Let me put this aside. This one is also color, and the canvas are so soft. It's not like the other canvas they used to be. Let me put this one there, and put this in here. Okay, so we can see it, and you can see the definition. And the good thing about this color canvas is because you can see the number better, and the lines are subtle, so you won't have to let's see, let's look at some of the small numbers in here. Let me get you closer. We got some real small numbers, but they're color canvas. But I just wish that my card had the picture of it. I'm so sad, disappointed on that part, because this is good. You need this as a reference to make sure that the colors are okay and you're doing the things. They still are going to do the same thing, taking pictures of the canvas by section, so it will, you know, it will show as, you know, just in case that you go over a number. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit to kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and please join the membership. Okay, until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.